Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure you have an Azure subscription and an active Databricks workspace, then provision a cluster with an appropriate runtime and auto-scaling. Once the cluster is running, attach a notebook or register a SQL query as a data source. This gives you a live table to chart. Make sure to set correct permissions on the data and cluster, because without access, you cannot build visualizations. Now open the Workspace UI and navigate to the SQL or Notebooks environment to begin. Once you have query results, convert them into visuals. Choose time series for trends, bar for comparisons, or map for geospatial data, and set proper aggregation and axis labels. Use the chart editor to adjust colors, legends, and refresh intervals so viewers immediately understand the story. Next, save each chart and add it to a new dashboard. Drag and resize widgets to prioritize key metrics. Finally, add filters and parameters at the top so users can interact with the dashboard in real time. To finish, set dashboard refresh intervals and schedule any required SQL query jobs. Then configure role-based access so only intended users view or edit the dashboard. Share via a link or export a snapshot for reports, and annotate key widgets with descriptions for clarity. If something breaks, first verify the cluster is running and attached to saved queries, because most dashboard failures trace to cluster or permission issues. If performance lags, optimize the underlying SQL or use materialized views to speed up rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.